In September 2025, a car dealership in Texas quietly collapsed. Nobody outside the industry noticed. 3 months later, the CEO of the biggest bank in America went on record with a warning. When you see one cockroach, they are probably more. And he was not talking about bugs, he was talking about your banks. Here is what most people don't know. After the 2008 crash, economic crash, regulators forced banks to stop making risky loans to mid-sized companies. But that lending did not disappear, it just moved into shadows. It's called private credit. Today, it's a $3 trillion industry, and almost nobody outside Wall Street can tell you how it actually works. Banks quietly stayed involved anyway, financing the funds that replaced them. Same risk, different name, and zero spotlight. That car dealership was called Tricolor. On paper, it looked like a normal subprime auto lender. In reality, federal prosecutors say its executives ran a systematic fraud for nearly 7 years, inflating the value of loan collateral to convince banks and investors to keep the money flowing. When it collapsed in September 2025, billions in dollars turned out to be backed by cars that weren't worth anywhere near what the paperwork claimed. Then came First Brand, a much bigger company and the maker of brands like Fram and Autolite. Prosecutors allege its founder defrauded lenders of billions using double pledge collateral and invoices for receivable that simply didn't exist. Billions of dollars gone seemingly overnight. In January 2026, the founder was criminally charged, and that's when the story stopped being about two companies and started being about the whole industry. That's when JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon said the line that's now the industry's unofficial epitaph. When you see one cockroach, there are probably more. And he was not wrong to worry. Bank has disclosed $30 billion to exposure to this extract corner of finance. Defaulted rates on BRAC private credit loans nearly doubled in single quarter, and the businesses most exposed aren't the hedge funds. They are banks, insurers, and pension funders sitting quietly behind your own retirement account. By mid 2026, the Justice Department, the SEC, and even the Bank of England were all circling the same 3 trillion question. How many more cockroaches are hiding in a market? Some analysts insist this is just isolated fraud, others call it the very first real bombing since 2008. Either way, here is an important point. The last financial crisis was not caused by one bank. It was caused by a system nobody fully understood. Hiding risk, everyone assumed someone else was watching. So we don't know yet if private credit is that system. But for the first time since 2008, some of the smartest people in finance are asking exactly that question out loud. If this is the beginning of something bigger, you will want to understand how it works. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to see more finance related documentaries, hit the subscribe button and follow along.